This is a proof of concept for CVE 2025-13390, a privilege escalation in WP Directory Kit. We begin by logging into the site as an administrator to check the environment configuration. We verify that version 1.4.4 of the WP Directory Kit plugin is currently installed. In the source code, we see an insecure auto-login feature using predictable MD5 hashes. After logging out, we trigger the bypass by providing a calculated token for user ID 1. We are instantly logged in as the admin, bypassing the standard WordPress authentication process. We repeat the process for user ID 2 to demonstrate the exploit's versatility across accounts. The browser confirms we are now logged in as a subscriber without using any password. This critical flaw allows complete account takeover due to the use of non-random authentication tokens.